Hello Pawtucket, and welcome to episode 4 of Cooking with Our Community. Just wanted to say thank you for everybody that reached out for the birth of my new daughter, Olivia. I know the last show went quite well with Dr. Ash and my assistant, Tara Charette. So it's good to be back. We have a great meal for you here today. We have a lo mein with our house-made, in-house scratch teriyaki sauce. So this is a good one. I hope that you are excited as I am. We have a great bag for you today. Something to look forward to. So we have for the sides some mandarin oranges, a fortune cookie, a little treat there for you, scallions to put on the side. I mentioned our house-made teriyaki sauce. We have some lo mein noodles, some popcorn chicken, mixed vegetable medley bag. We have some shredded carrots, broccoli, pepper and onion strips, and if you're up for the challenge, some chopsticks. Some people are better at it than others, but we gave them to you. If you want to try them, let us know. There's some instructions on here, and see how it goes. So I have a mixing bowl here. I put all my ingredients right in there. You want to make sure you have your parents' supervision. That's number one. I'm going to light up my stovetop here. There we go. Medium heat is all you need. Again, there we go. So just so everybody is clear at home, we are still doing our distance learning meals. I know we've returned to in-person learning for grades 1 through 6. We're still serving distance learning meals across the district at all of our sites that we've had continuously throughout service since February 1st. We have a new promo that we're rolling out, and it's the Golden Ticket Raffle. So every Monday throughout the month of March, we're putting 10 of these in our distance learning bags. If you get one, the instructions are right here clearly, but you're going to email the email address that's on there, as well as the ticket number and a reason as to why your student likes distance learning meals. That's all you have to do, and then at the end of the month, we are going to pull all of our weekly winners for a grand prize monthly raffle winner. So just something we're trying to do to keep the engagement of the distance learning learners across the district. So let's get to work. So we've got all of our ingredients right here. I'm going to put those right in the pan. Wish we could zoom in. We got a nice sizzle going on the stove top right there. All right, so just still cooking our lo mein here. It's got a great smell to it with that teriyaki sauce, let me tell you. On March 12th, we're doing a 4-day weekend bag. Reason being is that on March 15th is a professional development day. So we're going to take that time just to get ahead, prepare ourselves, and get ready for our next video, which will be on March 17th. St. Patrick's Day. You see what happened there? Did we plan that on purpose? All right, so this is about done. I'm getting hungry just smelling it. There we go. All right. Now, you may be asking yourself, is Josh going to use his chopsticks to try this? So, here we go, it's chopstick time. Who's ready? Okay, this smells incredible. It's a little hot. Make sure you give it a second there to cool down. Again, parent supervision, very important, whether you do this for lunch or dinner that night. You want to make sure you let it cool down and have your parent supervision. It's very good though. I mean, the teriyaki sauce we did, that was something we decided to make a scratch teriyaki sauce just to get full effect of what we do here in Pawtucket. All right. That's certainly something that I try at home, with my girls and my wife. And I hope you enjoy this as well with your families at home. Like I said, join us for a special episode on Wednesday, March 17th for St. Patrick's Day. And we look forward to seeing you. If you have any feedback, feel free to send it our way. And if you decide to do these lessons with your children at home, feel free to send us those pictures so we can get those pasted on our Facebook page, the Pawtucket Food Service Program. All right, thank you.